Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Samsung Smart Rollable Phone. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. It's already starting to look like rollable phones are the next big thing, potentially usurping foldable, before they even get much traction. And it looks like Samsung, the unquestioned foldable king, is getting on board. Well, we haven't heard much about a Samsung rollable beyond pure speculation, and new patent has emerged proving Samsung has put some consideration into the idea. The high-end Samsung Galaxy S21 series was introduced. The three models have been given a completely new camera design. However, more top models from Samsung are expected this year, including 3 foldable models. It is possible that the South Korean manufacturer will also present a rollable smartphone. As the counterpart of the LG rollable smartphone, Samsung's patent shows off a regular-sized 6-inch smartphone that extends into an 8-inch tablet, though the most interesting part is that it's a dual-slide smartphone with flexible material at the front and back of the phone's body. The front panel is pretty simple and features the extending flexible display we've come to recognize from other rollable phone makers like LG. The back is a little different, and it sounds like Samsung is keeping its options open. The patent mentions the possibility of a second flexible display or the inclusion of other flexible materials like metal film, fabric, or leather. Frankly, that sounds like a good idea if it will work properly, since nobody wants to extend their phone and potentially expose its innards to the outside world. That's one of the reasons why the original Galaxy Fold was delayed. It also presumably means the exterior design doesn't change, no matter what position the phone is in. Sadly, patents are no guarantee of anything, and there's no telling if or when Samsung's rollable would be released. It certainly wouldn't be arriving for a while, seeing as how rollable are still in their infancy. The only model on the immediate horizon could be the LG rollable, which was promised to arrive this year. However, now that LG is contemplating exiting the phone business altogether, its rollable may never see the light of day. Although with a second display you would have an even larger screen surface, you may wonder whether the costs will outweigh the benefits. Consider, for example, the Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha. This surrounds display smartphone would be marketed for Euros 2,550, but was ultimately never released. Moreover, a dual-display smartphone has the disadvantage that the device is always on one of the two displays, which significantly increases the risk of scratches and damage. Unlike some Chinese manufacturers, Samsung has not yet announced a dual-display smartphone, so we consider it more likely that Samsung will provide the back with another type of flexible material. In order to keep the device more affordable and to make it attractive to a larger target group in the already niche market. That is it guys, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.